Patanim ang silipan ng photo exhibit, apapakit, Quinteta Ganda rin Kapampangan, king report ng Patricia Mamao.
Fashion meets culture, king bayong photography exhibit at talaghay ng internationally awarded visual storyteller Gerald Gloton. Ang makalatang ngeni manibat August 16 hanggang October 13, 2025, king Oasis Art Wall, Oasis Hotel, Angeles City. Composed of 9 stunning pieces, ing exhibit magkwento yang istorya ning Teta Ganda rin Kapampangan, ing karelang identity at ing mabanding kultura. Ing titela talaghay mismo, malalamyang Tagalog amano ang mga intulirang resilience. Aemo makasentro king survival, nune pati king dignidad, karanasan at pamagbayo. Every piece is rich in meaning. Iba't king bayanihan o pamisaup-saup kay bat ning pamamakbong ning bulkang Pinatubo inyang 1991 hangga king meto nga reimagining ning The Little Prince shot king Kwari king Porak kayabe ing designer ay Jan Bongkaras. Plus, a portrait series aantimo kakalampag laban king toxic masculinity in collaboration with Jorem and Alagad ng Sino.
So itong exhibit na to, yung talaghay, ibig sabihin niya resilience at feature dito yung mga Kapampangan artists, Kapampangan designers na nakakolaborate ko through the years. And hina-highlight din natin dito yung galing ng mga kapwa natin Kapampangan at yung strength and resilience na sinisimbolize nitong iba't ibang images na meron tayo.
Pero aliwa mo ring obra rin ating kwento, nune pating space mismo. The Oasis Art Wall was revived last year by Samantha Tayag and Mandy Del Rosario, inspired by their family's long-time passion for the arts.
It's natural for us to support artists and their artwork. So you'll see also in the rooms or even in the bathrooms, meron mga nakaposts na paintings or sketches. So parang second nature lang to have artworks around the vicinity.
With the Artist Swap Initiative, may ganyang lugality para kareng niyayaliwang artist bang ibida in karelang talento at gawa.
Parang magkaroon sila ng place to showcase their
artwork.
So yun, nag-start kami with si Lloyd. Tapos yun, from there, nag-isip kami kung sino yung mga willing or sino yung mga, parang ikaw, mga gusto or interested. Tapos naisip lang namin na maganda siguro parang pag maglalagay yung isa, tapos magpapalit na ng next, isabay namin yung araw para at least magkakilala yung mga artists, para maano yung community.
Supported by Oasis Hotel, CSI Digital Lab, MDL Multimedia, Artifacts Design, talaghay marks a fresh chapter for the art wall, meto nga gallery at gathering ground para kareng artist at komunidad. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.